Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this used 2025 edition Volkswagen T-Cross Match that does come complemented in the modernised metallic smoky grey paintwork. Housing your 1 litre TSI engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal, stylish and nippy city runaround with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and even a rear view camera. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures maximum comfort with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Stepping in the front, you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience whilst driving, with access to your central touch display screen and again the comfort of a full cloth trim. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your variation of audio controls, including your options for your digital cockpit, displaying an array of driving data and even your adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe distance. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay endlessly entertained, with of course your on-screen vehicle information and the activation of your sensors and camera whilst manoeuvring, easily guiding you into those tricky parking spots. This is followed just below by your manual air conditioning, followed by the convenience of a wireless charging pocket, power outlets and of course central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.